Formation ha. Nakabilo po siya, yung kamay niya parang nasa dibdib, ma'am. Yan, the black one, Somo Maria, Virgin Mary Formation. Okay, forward, the big one. Ma'am, the big one, giant candle. Like a melting candle, ma'am ha. Stalagmite, sir, from the ground. From the ground up, stalagmite ha. Left little bit, ma'am, down, yung white, down, down, down. Right again. Yes, left again. Yes, the white one like a angel formation. Sabi nila walang wings. Lumipat sa Pegasus, ma'am. Forward. More, 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 more. Down. Yes, you know horse? You know the head, the eyes, the wings, ma'am. Like a horse, ano? Kung nakita nyo po, ma'am, Pegasus. Left forward again, ma'am. More. More Holy Family. Ma'am, Nativity. Yung parang formation ng Belen, di ba? Holy Family or Nativity Formation. Nature ha? Natural formation. Higher, ceiling. Higher, ma'am. Taasan nyo, nagpipicture ba? Ayan. Hindi pa naman po yung pinakamatas na ceiling, ma'am. Meron pa po liter. Straight light, ma'am. Straight. Higher up. Right. Yes, stalactite, ma'am. Like, you know, ice cream cone with chocolate flavor yan, ma'am. Parang natutunaw na ice cream, ha? With chocolate flavor siya, ma'am. Okay, papasok na ulit tayo, ma'am, sa fruits and vegetable section. Straight down, ma'am. Right more, cacao. Alam niyo po yung cacao, ma'am? Yung ginagawan tsokolate. Cacao or cocoa, ma'am. Right down, garlic. Down. Left. Ayan, oh, garlic. Bawang po siya, ma'am, ano? Like a garlic. Straight light, ma'am, corn. Forward, ma'am, higher. Corn. You know corn, sir? Sweet corn. Formation, ha? Left, other side, the big one. Left, ma'am, other side. Kaliwa. Giant mushroom. You know the mushroom, ma'am, is male. Ma'am, sa top ng mushroom, sa taas. Ma'am, sa taas ng mushroom, lalaki. Kasi may ebidensya doon, no? Sa taas. Ayun. Male mushroom, ha? And behind of mushroom, papaya, ha? Ayan, behind of mushroom, papaya. Dagdagan pa po natin, right other side. Ma'am, right dito, kabilang side. Higher, yes. Cucumber. Ma'am, yun ang cucumber, sir. Behind, forward konti, sayote. Sayote, ma'am. Forward again, pitsay bagyo. Forward, ma'am, patola. At saka meron pa, ha, labanos. Mostasa. Straight light again, sir. Higher. Yes. Higher, ma'am. What formation, ma'am? Puso? Yes. Banana blossom. Puso ng saging. Tandaan nyo lang, ma'am. Pagbalik nyo, already banana na yan. Ma'am, ang dami na pong bat sa unahan nyo. Down. Higher. Yes. Look at the ceiling, sir. You know, play the mouse or bats. Yun estimated again the bats, ma'am. Estimated more than 40,000 and 8 species or 8 different kinds, ha? You know, all the bats inside the cave. You know, insect bats, ha? Not the fruit bats. You know, the fruit bats, the big wings, the forest, the mangroves, and the islands. You know, later, ma'am, sir, no? You know, later the high ceiling or the highest point, ma'am. You know, 65 meters high above sea level, ma'am. Mamaya konti, ha, yung pinakamataas na ceiling po. Okay, ma'am, right down. Right more. Left again. Yes, bird formation, ma'am. What kind of bird? Right konti pa. Yes, what kind of bird? Eagle? Yes, eagle or parrot. Yes, like an eagle or parrot, no? Left forward. Ma'am, forward more. More, more. Sige pa po. More. Higher up. Higher more. Left konti. Left konti, left. Ayun. Formation ng taong nakatalikod. Man with the dog. You see the white, the dog, the man with the dog. Ma'am, San Roque Formation, ha? Si San Pedro Manok ang katabi nun. Ma'am, this area, pakailawan sa tubig, mababaw. Right, ma'am, dito sa tabi natin. You see the bottom. You see the water. Yeah, this area is very shallow. Ma'am, mababaw sa tubig sa ilalim. 6 feet, 2 meters, ha? Time for swimming now. Sino pong gustong maligo rito, balikan ko lang. Di bali na lang, ano? Ma'am, forward. Higher. Right again. Right more. Yes, the famous mountain before in Manila, ma'am, Smoky Mountain. Now is Payatas. Ma'am, left other side. Dito na sa kaliwa. Higher up. Yeah, this is the high ceiling or the highest point, ma'am. 65 meters high above sea level, ma'am. Reminder again, ha? Don't open your mouth. Okay, down straight, ma'am, in front. Yes, 200 meters long straight, sir. We're now entering, what we call it, highway. Or nasa EDSA